Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how can we utilize multiple calendars for booking appointments using Conversation AI. Now, this can be really helpful in cases where you are offering multiple services or you have multiple calendars for your sales team and you want to offer that using the Conversation AI bot. So let's jump into my screen here and I'll show you how to set this up. All right, so in your HighLevel account, head over to your AI agents, and under Conversation AI, you can see that I already have a bot set up. So let's just click on that, and then we're going to navigate to bot goals. And once that opens up, just scroll down, and under bot actions, you have to choose the appointment booking. So in order to enable the multiple calendars option or multiple calendar support, you need to make sure that you have selected multiple calendars option here. And then from here, you can pick multiple calendars. So in this case, you can see that I have picked a couple of them just to give you a demo of how this would work in a chiropractic clinic. So we have one called spinal decompression, and then we have chiropractic adjustment and initial screening. So I have enabled both of these. We could also select 4 of them if we want to, but for now I'm just gonna keep 2 here, and then we're going to proceed. Now here it will ask you how should it analyze the user intent to determine which calendar should be picked. Now you can see that I've just used one line, which is pretty basic, and under each calendar description I've mentioned that if somebody wants spinal decompression, and if somebody says it's a new visit, or if you feel like this person is coming in for the first time, you can recommend this. Now you can make these more detailed depending on the kind of service you offer, or if you have multiple options, then I would recommend to explain with some more details. But this should do as well just for a basic demo, and I've already tested it, so I'll also show you how it played out. So for now, let's go ahead and click on proceed, and you will see here that we have some more options. Like if you want to pause the bot after responses or trigger workflows or transfer employee post-appointment booking, and you can also allow the bot to cancel or reschedule appointments. So I have those enabled and we can just run with that. So let's go ahead and click on save. And if you have made these changes, then this save option will also pop up. So just make sure you hit that as well. Now, if we head over to the conversations, I'm going to show you a conversation that took place while I was testing this. So I reached out on this Facebook page where I have this Conversation AI enabled, and I said that I want to book an appointment. So it offered both of the services here, and I started explaining my problem that I have back pain, and then I'm not sure which one would you recommend. So it recommended me that it's good to start with a chiropractic adjustment. Now of course it has that context because we have enabled both calendars, and we've also given it a little bit of description of what we can offer. And then once I confirmed, it asked for some slots, and then finally the appointment took place. And if I click right here, it will also show me which calendar it was booked in. So this is pretty much coherent with the conversation going on. Now, because we already booked the appointment, let's also try canceling or rescheduling it. So let me just go ahead and send a message from my phone in the same chat. So I've just sent a message from my phone here, which should pop up here. There you go. So I've just asked to reschedule. So let's see how the bot plays out, and there you go. So it says we do have some options for the following week. So I'm gonna try to do the 17th, the first slot. So let's just send that message and see how the bot handles it. So it should allow us to reschedule as we have the settings enabled, and you can see the appointment details are updated, and it has rescheduled us for Wednesday the 17th at first slot in the morning. So it is working like it should, right? And if you click on this event here, it will show you more details. It is the same calendar, and we can see here that this was rescheduled, and it also shows the previous time. So works pretty well. And if you have multiple calendars, again, in most clinics or in different businesses, we usually do offer multiple services. So it is going to be a great addition. So just make sure that you enable this, you add a good description. And again, you can enable this across multiple channels. just like you saw that I'm using Facebook. So a lot of the prospects might be reaching out to you using your Facebook page. So you can also enable conversation AI there and take a good benefit out of it. So that was about this video. I hope it provided you some value. If you have any questions, feel free to go through our help docs or visit our official YouTube channel.